All right, in this LeadVIX review video, I'm going to show you how to connect your HBA webhook to the system so you can start getting leads into your HBA emailer and start building your email list with verified leads. These are not clicks. These are actually verified leads that are going to go into your account. Now, I got set up with this a couple of days or so ago, and I've actually figured out how to connect the webhook to this system so you can start generating leads. You don't need to use GetResponse, Aweber, or Systeme.io. You can actually use the HBA mailer if you are an HBA member. If you're not an HBA member, then you can click the link in the description and join HBA with me so you can get access to the mailer and all of the training and other tools that they have to offer. So I'm going to walk you step by step on how to get this set up in the quickest way possible. If you're in HBA and you're looking to start generating leads for your HBA business, okay, and you don't necessarily want to buy solo ads, but if you're buying solo ads, just make sure you're using a credible vendor, somebody who's actually going to give you some great clicks, but also where you're going to get leads, opt-ins, and sales from those vendors. So let's go ahead on and get started right now. So here I am inside of my LeadVIX dashboard. Okay, so like I said, I have the system set up and ready to go. I haven't gotten any leads yet, but it's pending review. So let me show you how to do it. Once you log in, this is going to be your actual dashboard. The first thing you're going to want to do is go ahead on and fund your account. I did it with $50, and I'll show you how to do that in a minute by simply clicking add funds right here. You can go ahead and add some funds. Click on that. You can add funds with credit card or with Wise, however you want to do it. Choose your amount. I chose $50, and then you pay with your card, and then you're good to go. I'm testing with $50, so I haven't tried the 100 yet. But once I get this tested out, and if it's working, I will invest more into this platform right here. Okay, so that's the actual wallet. So back to the dashboard. Here in the dashboard, you're going to see the summary of all your leads over time, and pending review queue, and all of that right there. They have an affiliate program, so you can be an affiliate. I am an affiliate for this, so if you click the link in the description and you invest and start generating leads and things, you invest in this, I will earn a commission for that. So the next thing you can do is add a domain name. I tried to add a domain because all of my domains are in the HBA system, with their domain register, and I added a domain, but I couldn't get it to work, so I just disconnected it until I figure out how to get that done and done the right way. Then I will let you know in an updated video. But you can add a domain, but right now I would not worry about that. Just skip this part. The next thing you want to do is get you a funnel together. Okay, here you're able to choose from different funnels within here. These funnels are specifically for this system. You cannot market your naked HBA turnkey system link or any other affiliate program. This is specifically for this system, but you can use these pages to promote HBA or whatever it is that you're promoting. Okay, just keep that in mind. So you're going to actually choose one of these funnels, and the one I chose was this one right here. You can click on the three dots, open the funnel, preview it, duplicate it, archive it if you no longer want it. But you have all these funnels up here. You can edit them any way that you want to. Whatever you want to do, you can change the color scheme and all of that. So I'm going to open up this funnel right here, and this is going to be the edit system. Once you publish this and get it like you want it, your URL is going to be this section right here. So keep that in mind, not the preview, desktop, all that stuff right there. You can edit the template, preview it. You see the funnel settings. You're going to need this in a moment. I'm going to show you why. And you connect your domain if you have it. So if you want to edit this template, just click on edit template. If everything is to your liking, you don't want to change anything. The reason why I chose this template is simply because it says, what if everything you needed to build an online business was already done for you? Why spend months piecing everything together? Get instant access to a complete business system designed to help you launch faster and work smarter. Tell us where to send the free access detail. They enter the email. The reason I chose this template because I'm promoting the turnkey system, the Home Business Academy turnkey system, triple residual income system. Everything is done for you with a few clicks of a button. They are good to go. Get your affiliate link, follow the training, and you're good to go. So that's what makes it so quick. The only thing I did change, well, I changed some of the text. I think this was yellow. I just changed it to green, and I changed this to green down here. I can change out the background later on. Right now, I just want to get some up going quickly. I'm not worried about the congruency of the background colors and things like that. So this page right here is going to go to your thank you page. You can come right over here to the thank you page and go to the thank you. This is the thank you page. The only thing I changed here, it has some text down here about $500 a day. I just changed it to recurring income because that's what the triple residual income system is about, recurring income. Here you want to add your affiliate link, okay? Your turnkey residual affiliate link or whatever it is that you're promoting, you want to add it right there. This is a tracking link that I have in the Home Business Academy section. So whenever someone clicks through LeadVIX and they sign up, I'll know where that lead came from. Now, if you don't have an affiliate program that you want to promote, Warrior Plus or JVZoo or ClickBank or something like that, you can choose one of the high converting, okay, offers that they have already in the system as well. I'll show you that in a minute, okay? But make sure this button is going to where you want it to go. On each page, the thank you, and on the opt-in page, make sure you click save. Okay, you're going to save it and then publish without a default domain. Click publish and it's good to go. So that's what you have to do to get things set up for as the funnel is concerned. Let's go back in your campaigns. Now I'm going to show you my campaign. They didn't have a preview in here, not a preview. They didn't have a system set up where you could actually just have it saved if you leave it and then come back and redo it. So I asked them to add that in here, but you can view your campaign right here. This is my campaign. It's a done for you turnkey system, advertising your name, your information, all that right there. You'll see what your budget are and everything you have set up. The publisher settings right now is pending review. So I'm waiting for this to go through review process, and then it hopefully start getting traffic sent to the Home Business Academy turnkey system. Okay, I'm choosing to make money online, which is the only vertical you can choose. You can start immediately, run indefinitely. I'm choosing top tier countries. Okay, all devices and all operating system. The URL is going to be down here where it's going, just like I showed you this URL right here. And this is actually going to be set up inside of the campaign itself. And then you had the leads field down here at the bottom. So if we come back over here, you'll be able to test your campaign to make sure everything is working. Okay, we can come back over to, if I click on edit, this is the actual campaign that I have set up. You can see all of your everything you're done over here to the right. Okay, my campaign is pending admin review. Once approved, it'll go live. But what I did, done for you turnkey system, this is the actual link. The start date, no start campaign now, no end date. Targeting, make money online, just allow traffic. You will be able to block traffic after you run your campaign. Okay, I chose all top tier countries. You can choose second tier, third tier here, clear all if you want to. Devices, you can choose mobile, tablet. I'm leaving it wide open right now. Operating system, right now I'm allowing all publishers. Right now I don't have any blacklisted. Then for the budget, I'm going with the budget over here, $2.86. Okay, the recommended range is like $3 now, so I'm willing to go $3. Okay, right there. And you can put your total budget, your daily budget, all of that down here if you want to. Then you're going to click save changes. Changes are saved. Okay, now it's still pending. Okay, so that is your campaign. Okay, so you changed to $3 right there. And to test it, you can do a test and it's going to send it to you. Okay, the CPA offers, you have all of these offers right here that you can choose from. I'm not going to stay on this long, but if you don't have an affiliate program that you're promoting, you can do that right there. Integration, this is where you want to get to. How do you integrate LeadVIX with the HBA emailer? And this is how you do it right here. Okay, the first thing you're going to do, make sure you have your funnels set up. Okay, make sure you have this done. Make sure you have your campaign set up and ready to go. Okay, then go back to integration. And what we're going to do, okay, you're going to give it a name. I'm just going to say right now, HBA. A custom webhook, we're going to leave it there. Now, if you have a Webhook Get Response Assist Me, you can do that, but I'm going to leave it on custom webhook. Then you're going to actually have to put a webhook URL right here, okay? And then you're going to put a JSON body down here. So let's go to the Home Business Academy, and we're going to come over here to the HBA mailer. You're going to click on forms and webhooks. Scroll all the way down till you get to this bottom, down here at the bottom of this, and click on Webhook Integration Guide. Right click, open up a new tab. This is the guide that you're going to go by in order to get things set up, but we're not going to use this information right here. I'm going to show you an easier way to do it. This is just telling you what the field references are, what is required. These two, form name, contact email, yes. Everything else you don't have to. Okay, so just read through this right here, but just know you have this page to go with. So what we're going to do, we're going to add a new connection, and I'm just going to put HBA test. Okay, going to put HBA test. I'm going to create. Now we're going to do two things here. First thing we're going to do is we're going to add a list. Okay, form mapping, add mapping, choose a list, and I'm going to create a new list. I'm going to type in HBA test. Okay, I'm going to check that right there. And I'm going to leave this open right now. I want you to just leave this open. We're going to grab that webhook URL. Okay, I'm going to copy it. Going to come over here to LeadVIX. I'm going to paste that URL right here. That's my webhook URL. What you want to do next is grab this right here. Come over here. Let me show you. Come over to guidelines right here and copy this. Copy that. And copy, come back over here and paste it in here. This is very important. What you want to do is your opt-in form name. So you come open up another LeadVIX funnel tab, click on it, and just gonna open up another tab. We're gonna come down here, and this is the name of your funnel right here. So you can copy that, and you come back over here and you put that right in here. Okay, just as if that's the only thing you have to do. Once you do that, you simply click add connection, and then it's going to add the connection down here at the bottom, and everything is going to be right. What you want to make sure over here in the Home Business Academy is that you have a list and you paste that same name right here. Okay, it has to match the form name inside of LeadVIX. And another way that you can get that name is you click on funnel settings, and your name will be right here. You want to make sure that this funnel name is inside of this box right here and inside of the done for you turnkey residual system. Once you have that done, you click save here and make sure you save, add the connection over here, and then you're good to go, except for a few other things you want to do inside of here. I'm going to delete this because I'm not going to use it. That was just to show you. I'm going to delete it, but you also want to make sure under your autoresponder, okay, you see I have LeadVIX here. Set up your autoresponder connected to your list. Okay, make sure everything is connected. That way when you click on this test button down here, there's a test button right here. When you click on test, it's going to send you a lead, or generic lead. It's not going to be a real lead. You're not going to be charged. Just want to make sure that your system is connected in everything here, and you want to make sure that it's connected at your funnel at your funnel section down here as well. So we want to make sure everything is working before you start sending traffic, and go through the process. Make sure everything is set up properly. Make sure everything is working. Once this starts running, I will do another video to show you the results that I'm actually getting right now. As I said, my campaign is in pending review. So once that get going, I will come back and do another video. If you have any questions about this or anything that confused you, just let me know, or just go back and watch the video again. Hopefully this will help you get your campaign set up and going in the right direction. After the review, I should see if leads are coming in. Once that's done, I will update you. So with that being said, click the link in the description to join the Home Business Academy if you have not joined it. Also the link in the description to join LeadVIX if you haven't joined it. Also, there's another traffic source coming out later next week that I want to introduce you to. So if you want to get a hold of that, go ahead and leave me a comment below. I'll get back with you on that one. Check out the other video on VidX that's on this screen, some of my Home Business Academy videos as well, and I will get back with you real soon. I want you to have a great day today and a better day tomorrow. Peace.